Hey guys, so this is the look that I'm going to teach you how to do today. I hope you guys like it and keep watching. We're going to take Flower Child from the Tarte palette and put it all over. Okay, so we're going to take that teal color. We're going to put it all over the crease. Really blend it out. I was looking for do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, wow, oh, oh. I've been singing High School Musical songs. I'm just obsessed with them again. Well, I've always been obsessed with them, but watching the movie again brings back memories. We're gonna bring the color all the way out to here to until the nose. Took about 7 minutes to blend and reapply and blend and reapply. So you can just take any concealer. I'm taking the NARS Creamy Concealer. Now we're going to take the yellow color from the Huda Beauty. We're going to put it right over the concealer. I'm going to darken it up on the edge, on the outer edge right here. Just going to darken it up a little bit with the same matte blue color.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
I'm gonna put the concealer right under. We're gonna pat the yellow color underneath. Now we're gonna add the blue. I'm just gonna add a little bit, just a teeny amount. I don't want the whole thing to be blue. Now that we have the yellow and the teal, I'm gonna do a little trick. The Urban Decay Razor Sharp Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner in white. This is actually really hard. So now I'm going to take the green color that we use here all over the crease. You have to get a wet brush and wet it a little bit. We're going to lightly put it on top of the white. So we put the teal from here to here, but at the very end, I'm going to put that yellow color that we put here on the lid. We're going to put it on the end. So we have that pretty much blended and filled in. I'm gonna go do my eyelashes and I will be right back. Hey guys, so after putting my lashes on, I was thinking that I should put like an inner corner shiny color. So I picked that blue, the shimmery blue, which is right beside the teal color that we used, and I just put it in the inner corner. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. Let me know on the comments down below what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Guys engaged!
I know!
Holy crap! That's actually lit! Hey, damn! I feel old!
I've never had someone knows me like you do. So this is the colors I've been playing with. Name. What a mess. Oh my God, she's asleep.